Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your 1099 delivery preference in Uber Driver app. If you don't have an Uber Driver account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the description below for similar gig platforms for you to sign up and earn extra money. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On the left side menu, you will see an option for Account. Tap on Account. Under Account, you will see an option for Tax Info. Tap on Tax Info. On this screen, you will see several options. Tap on the option that says Tax Forms. Under Delivery Method is an option for 1099 Tax Forms Delivery Preference. Tap on 1099 Tax Forms Delivery Preference. Here, you can change your tax form delivery preference. Just make the election below if you wish to receive the form by mail. That's how you change your 1099 delivery preference in Uber Driver app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.